why does France want more nuclear weapons? For decades, the United States has provided what's called a nuclear deterrent for the European continent. But last Monday, the French President Emmanuel Macron announced that France would be increasing the size of its own nuclear arsenal, but also extending the so-called nuclear umbrella to other European countries. He said 8 of them had already agreed to participate, citing a more dangerous world with growing threats from Russia and rising tensions with the United States. He said this was in France's vital interests.
J'ai ordonné d'augmenter le nombre de têtes nucléaires de notre arsenal.
To be free, one must be feared, he said. To be feared, one must be powerful. Now, this all raises questions for militarily neutral states like Ireland. As Europe pulls together more on defence, will they expect greater participation from countries like Ireland? At the moment, the French proposal includes the possibility of nuclear-armed French fighter jets being sent to other parts of the continent. But if there are joint nuclear submarine exercises in the North Atlantic, for example, how close will that be to Irish waters? And how much will Ireland be involved in any of the decision-making? With the US-Israeli war on Iran, Mr. Macron's announcement didn't get a lot of attention, but anti-nuclear campaigners did notice and were dismayed. They said with Russia, China and the United States already increasing the size of their nuclear arsenals, we're now in the middle of a nuclear arms race that no one can afford.